this enormous figure has become one of the most recognisable landmarks in the northeast. Designed by the sculptor Antony Gormley, the angel was created as part of the major regeneration project for Gateshead. And in 1998, this enormous steel structure was finally installed here. The Angel of the North stands 20 metres tall, with wings stretching more than 54 metres from side to side. And while you get a sense of the size when you stand underneath it, seeing it from above gives you a completely different perspective. You can really appreciate just how enormous it is and how it sits within the landscape. What makes the angel particularly special is where it stands. It's not hidden away in a gallery or museum. It's right here in the landscape, overlooking the road that brings people into the northeast every day. For visitors, it's a landmark, but for many people who live here, it's something much more familiar. It's a sight that tells you you're almost home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.